So I'm going to be making keto-friendly mushroom risotto. I have never made it before, so this is going to be probably a real life fail. So have fun watching me. Alright, first I'm going to make this a little bit more user-friendly, so I'll be right back. So I think I'm going to be using half of this onion for the recipe. Keep in mind this is a recipe I'm just making up right now, so starting with the onions. One of the things that I remember most from culinary school is one of the professors talking about how onions are the queen of the kitchen, and so they always come first. So I always start with onions. Hopefully you don't watch me cut my fingers today, because that would be not so great. This is a really shitty onion. A young onion will fight for its life, and an old onion will just let you kill it. We'll do that, and then we'll just slide these, hopefully not right onto the floor. Alright, so we're going to take this onion and we're going to put it into a silicone food bag. These are something I'm starting to use in the interest of reducing plastic waste. Go. All right, I'm gonna put this in the fridge. Most risotto recipes don't have shallots, but I really like shallots. So this is my recipe, so I can do what I want. You're still watching. It is time to cut the mushrooms. I haven't cut myself yet. I'm being watched. Hey Corey, how you doing? I forgot to chop the garlic, so we're gonna do that next. All right. Don't mind the camera move. I don't know how to set up my kitchen yet for this stuff, so. All right, I have turned the stove on. We're gonna get this pan going. First thing that we're gonna do is saute the garlic, onion, and shallot mixture. So we're gonna use about a tablespoon of butter, maybe less. I'm gonna take a little off there. That's about a tablespoon, and I just cut that. So just let that come up to temperature. So let's just get all these started. All right. Oh, turn that down. All right. I think let's add the mushrooms in here. All right, this is gonna be a while, so we're gonna take a break. So the rice has been drained, rinsed and drained. If you want to see, so they look fairly unappetizing actually. So we're going to put this in here and see what happens. I'm starting with 1 cup of chicken stock. This might be too much, it might not be enough, we'll see. I figured 1 cup was a good place to start. So we just put that in there and then let's throw in a tablespoon of butter. Okay, a whole cup in there. See what happens. It should be noted that usually when you're making risotto with real arborio rice, you would not put a whole cup of stock in there right away, because the whole goal is to add a little amounts of liquid and let it absorb and break down. But like I said, I don't think that this is going to act like regular arborio rice, so I'm just going for it. So if this was real arborio rice, you would want to sort of slowly move it around in the pan with some gentle agitation to activate the starch. But like I said, I don't think that this is going to do that, actually. Alright, so I think we're going to go ahead and add the Parmesan cheese now. A nice heaping cup full. Let's see here. I think that was too much Parmesan. I don't know, it looks a little watery. I think next time I would substitute some of the Parmesan for heavy cream, maybe. So I think what's going to happen with this is that the liquid's going to more or less evaporate and not be absorbed by anything, which I guess kind of works too, but I guess we'll see. Did I say that this is going to probably have the texture of some sort of packing material? Because I think it is. It's very chewy. So, yep, too liquidy. So that's a problem. Unless you want to make it soup, in which case, you know, whatever. A failed mushroom risotto. Being watched. Hey Corey, how you doing? I think the biggest challenge will be finding out if there's any sort of gooiness, like the gluten or not the gluten, the starch that comes out when you're cooking rice in the risotto process. Of it out because I realized there was far too much to go with the small amount of Kodiak rice, shiitake rice, and since it doesn't break down like regular rice, that as far as I know, because I've never actually used this product, I've used the tofu products of the same brand. I'm guessing that this reacts a bit differently, maybe. We'll see. This is going to be a calamity. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe and like, and go ahead and leave a comment below, good or bad. Thanks.